way I can describe it is that I had been thinking in a negative way all of the time. So that was the pathway that my thoughts always went down. And in a healthy brain, they don't go down that pathway. But the healthy pathway, because I had treatment-resistant depression for so long, the healthy pathway basically didn't exist anymore. It had withered. And for me, it feels like ketamine or esketamine has helped that pathway open again. But it will only stay open, or I only continued to get better from that point by having the psychotherapy with the treatment. That the esketamine on its own in my head, I don't think would have worked. I needed to continually be coming to psychotherapy and having somebody reframe my thoughts, and so it was the two together. The hardest thing for me was not saying I was depressed or on treatment or had ECT or any of that. It was, and how long have you been out of work for? When I started taking it first, it was usually between 5 minutes and 10 minutes that I would start to feel the effects. I would be talking to the medical staff, and my speech would slow down. I would find it harder to find a word, and I would feel, it wasn't that I felt sleepy, but I would feel the need to and want to close my eyes. Wears off after 45 minutes or an hour. It stops, you are back to normal. Honestly, in my opinion, once you've had the first one, and you know it's going to end, and you know that you're going to walk out the door home and fine. I never had any fear of going. You know, when they schedule the treatment, it's like, oh yeah, I have treatments on X day at X time, and I've no feeling of dread. I've no feeling of anticipation. You know, I look forward to having the chat with the people because they're essentially their friends. Yeah, I think I'm as close to it as near as makes no difference. But I've only felt that maybe in the past 6 months.